किसी के पास डिलीटेड सिलेबस की फाइल है क्या? डिलीटेड सिलेबस की फाइल है किसी के पास? भेजो जरा, व्हाट्सएप पे भेजो जल्दी। मैथ्स की, मैथ्स की है तो मैथ्स की, अब पूरे तीनों सब्जेक्ट के तो तीनों की, जल्दी भेजे। सेक्शन 2 डिलीटेड। So we are starting the 4 mark questions. We are not going to do the deleted syllabus part. The problems related to inverse trigonometric functions are deleted. Second derivative is also deleted. Second derivative concept. We have done one question. Prove that d square y by dx square is equal to h square minus ab by hx plus by whole cube. I think you remember it. D square y by dx square is equal to hx h square minus ab by hx plus by whole cube. वही सेकंड डेरिवेटिव का है, वो भी डिलीटेड हो गया बोल रहा हूँ मैं. एनीहाउ एक क्वेश्चन कर लिया अपन वो. बहरहाल उसको आईटी के लिए पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन जो है आपके आईआईटी के लिए और एमसेट के लिए वगैरह जो है पूरा पूरा रहता है सिलेबस. समझे? आईआईटी में तो पूरा रहता, कुछ भी डिलीट नहीं होता आईआईटी में. ठीक है, तो ये दिया हुआ है, ये प्रूफ करना है. ये दिया हुआ है, ये प्रूफ करना है. स्क्वायर वाई इज इक्वल टू ई पावर एक्स माइनस वन. लॉग लगा लेंगे. एक्स माइनस वाई की बाजू ले लेंगे. लॉग ई की वैल्यू 1 है. ये वाई को ही बाजू ले लेंगे. ये माइनस वाई को इधर ले लेंगे. वाई कॉमन ले लेंगे. इसको नीचे भेज देंगे. अब डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. वाई का डेरिवेटिव डी वाई बाई डी एक्स. यू बाई वी लगा रहे. वी यू डैश माइनस यू वी डैश बाई वी स्क्वायर. फॉर्मूला वी डैश इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 माइनस यू बी डैश 1 का 0 लॉग एक्स का 1 बाई एक्स बाई वी स्क्वायर. Plus x minus x I can cancel out. Plus 1 minus 1 also I can cancel out. Numerator log x. Denominator 1 plus log x whole square. Which is what is asking. Any doubts here? Any doubts? क्या हुआ? Shall I move to next question or do you have any doubts? Junior L40 students. Junior L40 students, are you people able to follow it or not? Junior L40 students, because this is the first time you people are hearing it. L40 juniors, very few are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 students are there from JL40 and 13 are there from 41. Very few students are attending from both the sections. But anyhow, my responsibility is to cover up the syllabus. that I'll do it. Afterwards, it is your responsibility. This is given, this you have to prove. This is given, this you have to prove. So I find x first. Now I differentiate with respect to y. Remember this. Differentiate with respect to y I'll do. So x का derivative 1 है होता, it will be dx by dy. Now u by v I'll apply. V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Formula. V u dash sin y का derivative cos y minus u v dash sin of a plus y का cos of a plus y. चेन रूल से अंदर का डेरिवेटिव 1 है बाई b square sin of a plus y whole square. Okay. So dx by dy is equal to, if I consider a plus y as a and y as b, a plus y as a and y as b, is it not in the form sin a cos b, sin a cos b, sin a cos a, sorry, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b? Is it in the form sin of a plus y cos y minus cos of a plus y sin y by sin square of a plus y? Numerator is sin of a minus b format. Sin of a minus b. Denominator as it is. A is a plus y here, b is y here. Okay? Plus y and minus y can cancel out. Sin a in numerator, sin square of a plus y in denominator. That is dx by dy. But he is asking you dy by dx. So I take a reciprocal on both sides. This is what he is asking. dy by dx equal to sin square of a plus y by sin a. This is important here. Making x as subject here and differentiating with respect to y. Getting dx by dy, then reciprocating it to get dy by dx. अंडरस्टैंड? समझ में आ रहा? सईद रहमान क्लास में है। सईद रहमान, सईदुर रहमान क्लास में है? नहीं है। सईदुर रहमान, if x power log y is equal to log x, then prove that dy by dx is equal to y by x 1 minus log x log y by log x whole square. This is given, this you have to prove. This is given, this you have to prove. I'm starting now. X power log y is equal to log x. I apply log on both sides. Log of x power log y is equal to log of log x. This log y comes here. Log y log x is equal to log of log x. Now I differentiate with respect to x. Product rule. U v dash plus v u dash. Okay. Then log derivative 1 by x. Then inside derivative 1 by x. Fine. So what it is becoming? Log y by x plus log x log y dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log x. I have to make dy by dx a subject here, so I'll take this to that side. Log x log y dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log x minus log y by x. So I'll take 1 by x common first. This it will be 1 by log x minus log y. 1 by x as it is. Log x LCM 1 minus log x log y. Oh, some mistake. Yes. I forgot to write y. Somewhere I did mistake. अच्छा log x है 1/x log x. Okay, okay. Oh, log x as it is. From here it is wrong. From here it is wrong. I'm doing it again. Log y as it is. Log x is 1/x. Log x as it is. Log y is 1/y. Y is dy by dx. Log of log x is 1/log x. Then log x is 1/x. Then log x by y dy by dx. One by x log x. Sending this term to that side. Minus log y by x. So 1 by x common from here. 1 by log x minus log y. Here it will be log x by y dy by dx. So continuing with that. 1 by x as it is. LCM log x. 1 minus log x into log y. Log x by y dy by dx. Making dy by dx a subject here. Y comes up. Y by x. This log x comes down. Log x into log x is log x whole square. This is what he is asking us to do. This is what he is asking us to do. Is it okay now? Is it okay? इससे देख सकते हो x को log y इक्वल टू log x दिया, दोनों जगह log लगा लिए, ये log y को बाजू ले लिए, डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे log log u log y as it is log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x, फिर log x as it is log y का डेरिवेटिव 1 by y dy by dx. log of log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by log x, फिर log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x. Sending this term to the right hand side, this term to the right hand side, and taking 1 by x common from these two, 1 by log x minus log y remains. Then log x LCM here. Then log x LCM 1 minus log x log y. Then making dy by dx a subject, y comes up and log x comes down. Y comes up and log x comes down with this. This is given, this you have to prove. Proof करिए. Take this, apply log on both sides. Take y beside, x beside, differentiate, make dy by dx as subject here. Giving time. 3 minutes time. Giving 3 minutes time. Do it. This is given, this you have to prove. Okay, try करो जल्दी. And let me know if you have done it. Let me know if you have done it. Got the answer? Yes. 3 minutes. How is Rahmatullah sir going? Are you people okay with him? Is he taking regularly? Are you people attending regularly? Sure, sure. Good. If you are satisfied, then it is more than enough. If you are satisfied, then it is more than enough for me. Don't miss his classes. His classes will also be like very short and sweet classes. Definitely expected questions he'll be doing in the class. Just listening is enough. Listening and just before the exam, just flipping the pages and seeing what we have done in the class is more than enough. You need not refer any books. He is my teacher actually. Rahmatullah sir is also my teacher. When I joined here as a fresh teacher, was not having experience. Immediately after my engineering, I came here. So Rahmatullah sir was the senior teacher here at Malakpet. So under his guidance, I've started teaching at Malakpet. Thankful to him. So y as it is, log x is 1 by x. Log x as it is, y is dy by dx. X as it is, log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Log y as it is, x is 1. I'll take this term this side and this term. Physics chemistry में problem में बोल रहे. Who is teaching physics? I guess Mr. Nazir. In chemistry, Mr. Abdul Halim, I guess. What is the problem in physics? मतलब what kind of problem? Is he not explaining you properly, or is he, what should I say? No problem, sir. बोल रहे some of the students. Internet issue बोल रहे. Internet issue can be solved. What they said? They completed for L41 and I have missed the last message. I have missed the last message. Somebody told me. Acha, they didn't complete for you people, Muhammad Abrar, JL40. No. Whatever is being completed for L41, from after that I have asked them to continue till the end. But once the syllabus is over, I have asked them to revise or explain the topics again which are missed by JL40 people. This is the instruction which I have given them. I told them that JL40 students will join JL41. Whatever you people are doing in JL41, continue it with that. L40 students will join that. But once the syllabus is completed, you can leave JL41 students for self-study, and you can again start JL40 students for the chapters which they have not attended along with JL41. This is what I clearly told them. Are they not doing this? Acha. They teach in Hindi. That can be done. There is no problem. I'll be asking him to sort out the internet issue. I'll ask him to take the class from wherever Wi-Fi is available. That problem will be solved. And I'll ask them to just go with the English mostly. Like 100% English is also not possible. Not possible in the sense, because most of the students are from Hyderabad now. So that natural tendency will be there. But still, I'll ask them to go with English mostly. All right. That problem will also be solved. And after completion of the syllabus, JL41 students may or may not attend the physics and chemistry classes. If you want, you can repeat it, or if you want to leave, you can leave and self study on your own. But whatever topics JL40 students have not attended with JL41, starting chapters, that will be again taught to you JL40 students after the completion of syllabus. If anything is going, not according to this, then let me know on WhatsApp. I'll be immediately contacting them and setting the things right. Inshallah. So dy by dx terms to one side. Log y minus y by x. I take dy by dx common. अच्छा. Chemistry explanation is not good बोल रहे कोई. But I feel chemistry explanation there should not be any problem. He is the best teacher in IP teaching for chemistry. First person to tell me that explanation is not good. But nobody is saying. I don't want to take the name of the student who has told me this, that he is not following chemistry lecture. X log y it is. X log y it is. So yeah, I'm busy with talking, you people know. So that is the reason I am doing mistakes. Now I have to make जी जी technical issues means internet problem or what? अब्दुल वाजिद ठीक है वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाता है इंशाल्लाह प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाते हैं अब्दुल वाजिद योर फादर was calling me yesterday I guess but I was busy and I could not receive his call give a message to him that I'll be calling him today whenever I'm free. The father was calling me yesterday. I could not receive because I was busy. Tell him that I'll be calling him today whenever I'm free. All right. So continuing now. Cross multiplying y upside y into x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. That is what he's asking us to prove. Parametric differentiation. Parametric differentiation. X is given in terms of t, y is given in terms of t, asking you to find dy by dx. चलिए, so almost we are finishing 4 mark questions. Tomorrow's class, I'll be completing of 4 mark questions. I'll be starting 2 mark questions tomorrow. Few more questions are left over. First principle of derivatives is also there. A 4 mark question can also come from that concept. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. That concept is also important for 4 marks. So we shall see few questions on that model also tomorrow. We'll be continuing with 2 mark questions if possible tomorrow. Okay. Right. Now proceeding with this question. A into cos t plus t sin t. Differentiate with respect to t. X derivative dx by dt. A constant, cos t derivative minus sin t. Here product rule. T as it is, sin t is cos t. Sin t as it is, t is 1. So what is the answer I am getting? This I can cancel out. So answer is at cos t dx by dt. From x I have got dx by dt. Now from y I will get dy by dt. Differentiate with respect to t. Y derivative dy by dt. A constant as it is, sin t derivative cos t minus product rule again. T as it is, cos t is minus sin t. Cos t as it is, t is 1. So a constant, cos t, opening it with minus t sin t minus cos t. This I can cancel out. At sin t it is. From x, I have got dx by dt. From y, I have got dy by dt. But the question is dy by dx. You know this? I know, I guess you know this. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt is at sin t. Dx by dt is at cos t. So 80 I can cancel out. Sin t by cos t is tan t. That is the answer. Is it clear? Oh. Is it clear? Simple. Differentiate x with respect to t, get dx by dt. Differentiate y with respect to t, get dy by dt. Then divide these two to get dy by dx. Okay? Last question of the class. I'll be posting the notes immediately after the class in L40 group. But L41, I am not the member, so I'll be sending it to Kazim sir. You can claim it from Kazim sir. L41 students. Do it now. 7:20 it is. 7:25 I am going to close it. 7:25 I'm going to close it. This week will be the last exam, I guess, for L40 students and for L41 also. Coming Sunday exam will be the last weekend exam for this academic year. And coming Sunday is mains pattern exam for L40 students. Whereas for L41, it is anyhow mains. Is it okay? I repeat, coming Sunday exam will be the last weekend exam for both the sections for this academic year. After that, you will be having some IPA exams, and then final IPA exam. जी हाँ 40 है बराबर. Answer is 40. So I'm stopping here. See you tomorrow, inshallah. See you tomorrow, inshallah, with leftover questions, leftover 4-mark questions of differentiation, to be continued with 2-mark questions of differentiation. Okay, that physics, chemistry problems, whatever you have intimated to me, that will be conveyed to your concerned teachers, and I hope that the problems will be solved. Allah Hafiz.